Hello guys, welcome to Anonymous Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kali Linux bootable in a hard drive. So I have already downloaded the Kali Linux in disk image, and I use Rufus to make Kali Linux bootable in a USB, and I will show you how to make it bootable. So first of all, I open my D drive where I save the Kali Linux. And here you can see I have Kali Linux and Rufus. First of all, I insert my hard drive and first I format it. Just select non-bootable and then click on start. Here you can see it's showing I already make bootable of Kali Linux. So here you can see it shows, but as I show you, so first I restore it. As the restore process completes, then I select the disk image file of Kali Linux and start the process. And in 8 to 10 minutes the process will complete, and my hard drive will be ready to boot it. And then select the disk image file and click select BIOS and UEFI, and here is MBR and GPT. It's depend on your hard drive which one is. I have MBR. Then click yes, and then click on OK. It will take time to complete the process. It may take 8 to 10 minutes. It's copying ISO file, and as it goes to 100% it will shows the sign ready. When the device is ready, it shows the ready indicator sign. And in next video I will show you how to run Kali Linux using bootable USB. These are very easy steps to understand how to make a USB bootable. If you have you in some process you can make Windows 8, Windows 8.1 Pro, Windows 10, and any window which is in ISO file. You can make it bootable. Just as I select the Kali Linux file, you have to select the Windows file and then click on MBR, BIOS, and UEFI targeted system, and then just only click on start, and it will make bootable. You can also make bootable of Checknix, and you can also make bootable of Checkra and all the versions of Checkra which are in ISO files. Here you can see I make the speed of my window, and here you can see 82% or 84% of it is completed. So guys, here you can see that our USB is ready, and in next step, in next video, I will show you how to use this bootable USB of Kali Linux, and we'll run the Kali Linux using USB. Thank you for watching my